Welcome to a brand new edition of What's New at SuperOps. I'm Lakshmi, and let's kickstart this month's product update with one of our most exciting announcements to date. We're super thrilled to announce that our modern take on network monitoring is now live. Unified with your RMM platform, ensure peak performance and revolutionize your network visibility with SuperOps' network monitoring. Now there's no more scrambling to identify network issues or nights spent in troubleshooting problems. With our automated scans, insightful metrics, and minimal deployment, you can now achieve complete network awareness. SuperOps is the first in the industry to partner with Splashtop Premium. This integration offers advanced remote access with session recording, multi-monitor support, and concurrent sessions for administrators and technicians. This is especially useful for MSPs seeking a more powerful, cost-effective, and integrated remote management solution. Now there's a better way to streamline your teamwork on every ticket and avoid overlap of any sort. SuperOps now lets you see who's viewing and replying to each ticket, preventing duplicate efforts and ensuring seamless team collaboration. The top right corner of a ticket shows who's currently working on it, and the chat window also shows if you have any chats that are currently in progress. We have made another massive addition to our popular reporting module. You can now create executive summary PDF reports that include a key analysis of asset, patch, and antivirus management along with software and alert statuses. You can also schedule and share these PDF reports with your clients. We've made it easier and quicker for you to install or remove software with our new Save and Apply option. You can also instantly update policies with this option, thereby streamlining your work to make it more efficient. As always, our team has also worked on several enhancements in the platform, all of which can be viewed in the product roadmap page along with other significant updates. To see all these features and more, sign up for a 21-day free trial with SuperOps. See you later.